my coolest testers, welcome to this series about Katalon Studio. My name is Shatabdi Roy. I'm a software test lead with almost 7 years of experience in this testing field. This series, we will learn step by step about Katalon Studio. Don't worry, if you have never used it before, or you don't have any automation testing experience, or you don't have any experience with the programming language, because my dear, I will start from scratch anyway. We will discover what the Katalon Studio is, how can we use it for our small to medium project. I will be adding loads of tips, tricks and practices to learn how to get the most out of this excellent software. And I hope you're very excited to learning the Katalon Studio journey with me. So, what we are waiting for? Let's get started. Let's look into what is a Katalon Studio is. It's a low-code record and playback software. When I say low-code, it means there are some possibilities. You can use groovy language for loop or if-else statement if in your automation script. However, record and playback software works perfectly fine. I mostly use record and playback software, and this is amazing. Also, this can be used for web, API, mobile and desktop. In my series, I will be showing the test scripts and tips and tricks for web and API only. It's available for Windows, Mac and Linux. I will be showing Windows and Mac download and install. So have a look in the description below. Definitely I will be linking how to download and install for Windows and Mac. Easy to learn and no coding experience needed. Trust me, you don't need any coding experience if you want to use record and playback software. The integration part, it integrates with a lot of services. There is Git, Jenkins, Azure DevOps. I personally used it with Azure DevOps. If you want me to see how I used it with Azure DevOps, please put down a comment below so I can start making those tutorials as well. If you want to know more about the integration, please visit katalon.com/katalonstudio. I will be also adding a link in the description below. In terms of price, it is freemium, so some of the basic functionalities are free, but suppose if you want to do CI/CD, you might need a premium version. However, the free one works properly fine because all of the free element I already used it, and this is good for a proper small to medium automation regression suite. Let's see how Katalon can help us in our test automation. So it's create easy, quick test scripts because, as I said earlier, with the record and playback, it just creates test script very easily. It also very good for small, medium regression test suite. I personally used it most of my small and medium projects. Also, it's good handler for smart waves. Sometimes, the element doesn't pop up in the screen. You have to wait. It actually added the smart wave by itself, which is very smart. It also helps with multi-tabs, multi-windows, iframes, alert, assertion. The best thing about is cross-browser testing. Suppose you write the scripts in Chrome, but you want it to run in a Firefox or Edge. When the script is done, you can just run the automation test. So here it ends about how Katalon can help us in test automation. So next tutorial will be about how to download and install Katalon. I will hope you guys will stay tuned and see that series. Thank you. Bye, my coolest testers.